That's good.
Highs in the upper 60s. North winds 5 to 10.
Oh, here they go.
Reception of this broadcast in the alarm zone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is your forecast for DeKalb with surrounding communities. For today, cloudy. Chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Then a slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 60s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 30%. For tonight, cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. In the upper 40s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles.
Shut off.
For Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers.
I don't think this guy went off, unfortunately.
Non-thunderstorm Thursday night, mostly clear. Sunday night through Tuesday, lows in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. For Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
What the heck is still on?
Mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. For Saturday,
Yes, thank you, I know.
highs in the upper 70s. For Saturday
We're
night,
still
partly
on.
cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. For Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. For Sunday night, mostly cloudy with chance of showers. Lows in the upper 50s.
Oh, there's something over here still on.
Precipitation 20%. For Monday,
Haha, there you go. Wow, I was not expecting them to go. Cause cloud, thank you, I know. Cause cloudy out. Also my damn camera wouldn't focus. So hopefully we'll get that fixed soon with a new camera. Yeah. Let's see what failed. You went. Chris's 262 failed. That's not good. All the recoms went. I don't know if you went. You went. You all these. Oh, you failed. I don't know why the Cobra failed. WX67, 67 went. This went. I forgot to put this on standby. Damn it. Oh well. This failed, of course. What else? Over here, version 3 failed, of course. Pineapple failed. This failed because it can barely pick it up. What else failed? Well, of course this failed. That's without any sort of surprise. I think this failed too. The 370, unfortunately. I know it goes off for alerts though because I have self-activated it before. So, oh well. I mean, it's more of a success this week than last week. Shut up! I know I have one unread message. Hopefully, next week will be better.